My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. It's the 2017 Vauxhall Insignia Grand Sport. This vehicle was done just under 57,000 miles. It has a manual transmission, diesel fuel type, and a 2-litre turbo engine. On the steering wheel, we have voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic headlights and automatic wipers. On the touchscreen, we have features such as Bluetooth, climate control, projection, navigation, traffic, and shop. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.